Alright guys, update for tonight as of December 1, 2025, 9:07 p.m. So just earlier, we saw this trend from 15 minutes. So we see the trending price is that there's a high and then lower low and then lower high and then there's a lower low. That's why we enter a trade from this level. So let's see if this trend line will respected. Then we are anticipating that the price will move downwards. So I just enter 1-to-1 ratio because we are entering against the trend because we're still anticipating that the price will move up. So if we want to place a trade, and especially it's just a pullback from the higher time frame, we need to at least we don't put too much risk reward. So for now we just 1-to-1 because we just want to see if this moving price will respect those new trend from the lower time frame just for a pullback. So we just want to ride that pullback. So let's see if that will reject and it will respect. So else it will notify us with the alert that it will hit SL. So let's see later what will be update. Thanks guys. Bye.